Ngithi-ke ngithathe le thuba ngihalelisele wona-ke amakhosi ngokuthi asungule-ke iqembu labantu besifazane. So Kaizer Chiefs yesterday announced that they have now a women's team. So banayo women's team ezobe idlala khona-ke laphayana kwi-second division of South African Women's Football. So-ke i-first division yethu yiyo-ke i-Hollywoodbet Super League la sinema-Mamelodi Sundowns Ladies FC. So-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs nayo-ke sigcine seyijoyinile-ke i-Women's Football and-ke bazoba ne-Kaizer Chiefs Ladies FC ezobe idlala khona-ke lapha kwi-Sasol League. So kuze-ke sibabone-ke lapha e-TV ka-SABC 1 ejwayele ukuveza wona-ke ama-games abantu besifazane kuzomele bawine yona-ke i-promotion ukuthi babe promoted to the Hollywoodbet Super League, but for now bazobe besadlala khona-ke laphana kwi-second division. Hopefully this will also motivate ama-teams afana nabo-Orlando Pirates ngoba sazi ukuthi i-team enkulu, and when big brands come into the women's game iyakhula-ke women's game because they will get more viewership. Cabanga nje i-Kaizer Chiefs Ladies FC sidlala ka-SABC 1 bawongakho abantu abazobuka. Ima-numbers I'm sure azoba makhulu than they currently get kulama-games akhona-ke laphana kwi-Hollywoodbet Super League. So this is a great move for Kaizer Chiefs, and also kuvelile-ke ukubaluleka kwalamaqembu ukuthi-ke nawo abe involved in women's game because already i-Kaizer Chiefs sinaso-ke i-sponsor, and ngiyawazi-ke amaqembu amaningi laphana kwi-Hollywoodbet Super League angena-sponsor. So kuyakhombisa ukuthi neqembu elifana ne-Orlando Pirates kumele-ke lingenelele lisungule lona-ke iqembu labantu besifazane, so i-women's game izokhula-ke la eMzansi. So i-Prima Logistics yiyo-ke is-first sponsor ezobe sponsorisha yona-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs Ladies FC. A big move for amakhosi and also for South African Women's Football. Singohaleliseleka amakhosi ngokuthi agcine seke-sungulile-ke iqembu labantu besifazane, and hopefully bazokwazi-ke ukuthi benze kahle gcine sesibabona-ke laphana kwi-Hollywoodbet Super League.